Okay, testing. All right, here's your project page. And every project page comes with the guidelines, which are the instructions. And if you click on this, you'll see it in this window. I think it's a good idea for you to download it. Okay. Okay, I already downloaded it, so I'm going to go ahead and open it. So now it's open in the browser window here. So we can switch back and forth between things. So the guidelines are the instructions. And then the next thing you're going to need is you're going to want to open Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word. So to get to those, you go to a new browser window here and type in office.com. And you can log in with your U of A net ID, I think it is. So if you go to office.com, it's going to take you to this. This is just their version of ChatGPT, but if you go down here, right here to apps, right, you'll see Word and Excel. So we're going to open up Microsoft Word, and we're going to open up Microsoft Excel. So in Microsoft Word, once it's open, you can upload the template file that you just downloaded. All right, so you would click on upload, and then you would go to the file that with the template file that we just downloaded and upload it. And I already did that, so I'm just going to go ahead and open that. And while that's working, if you go to Excel here, the green one, you can create a blank workbook. Sometimes he gives you an Excel spreadsheet to download, and this is where you would upload that file if he gave you one. But for this project, it's just a blank one. So let's create a blank workbook. All right, this takes a little bit, so I'm not sure why it takes so long, but be right back. Okay. All right, so the blank workbook is open here. This is just a new Excel workbook. Name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it ABP-2. Okay, so that'll be the file name. And this is the template file where you're going to put your answers. So let's fill this in. Okay? And here's the first question. He wants you to paste some extracted data into this area right here. So let's go to the instructions. Task 1. Okay, for this task, blah, 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 you're going to perform some functions when dealing with large volumes of data. For this task, you're going to extract or download data from Wall Street Journal, WSJ.com, as a CSV, as an Excel CSV data file. You're going to transform it, you're going to load it, and that is called ETL, extract, transform, and load. So we're going to go to Wall Street Journal. We're going to look some data up about the Campbell Soup Company. We're going to download that file. Then we're going to look at the file and put it into Excel. So go to the Wall Street Journal and extract the daily trading data for the previous 12 months, which is the most recent 12 months or 52 weeks that end with the day you collect the data. So that's today, so October 25th. We're going to use yesterday since stock market isn't open today. So let's go to wallstreetjournal.com. You actually have an account on here as well. I think you just log in with your same, I don't know, somehow I've got, it looks like you have an account. I must have logged in last time for you, so I'm not sure where that is. But anyway, it wants you to go, it says, come on. Is this going to freeze up on us? Okay. To download the data from Wall Street Journal, from the Markets and Finance tab on the Wall Street Journal, select Stocks, and in the Market and Finance, US stocks, in the Quotes and Companies search window, enter your company's ticker symbol, which is CPB, and select your company's ticker symbol. So search Quotes and Companies, CPB. Okay, there it is. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. Then select your company's ticker symbol, which is what we did. From your company's overview screen, expand the research and ratings pull down. Okay? Okay, the company's overview screen, we're going to go to research and ratings, pull down, and click on historical prices. Research and rating, historical prices. Okay. So this is the data. And then from historical prices screen, specify your date range and click the go. To display your data, note that your data will be displayed across multiple pages. To download all the data, click on download a spreadsheet. So remember, we're doing the previous 12 months. So the data range here is going to be October 24th, 2024 to October 24th, 2025. All right. And then we're going to click on download a spreadsheet. So I'm going to save this in the folder I created. I already did it before, so but see how it saves it as a CSV file, a .csv. So Campbell prices, I just named it Campbell prices. These are stock prices, every day of stock trading and what the stock traded for. So the next thing, when your download's ready, maybe saved automatically in your downloads folders. Okay, we did that. Once you've downloaded your CSV data file, locate the file on your computer and open it using a text editor such as Notepad or TextEdit. So I'm going to use Notepad. Actually, let's see. Whoops. Oh, let's see. Here it is. Okay, so here's the file. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. I want to open. I'm going to open it in Notepad. You're going to open it in TextEdit because you have a Mac. So here's what a CSV file looks like. Right? It's got all these column headings up here: open, high, low, close, volume, and all the data. And the data is separated with commas. So that's why I call it a CSV, comma separated file. And you'll see it's the same data that's on this web page here. It's just in this comma separated format. So what's he want you to do with that? He says, open it up. And copy the metadata field labels on the first line. He says metadata. What he's talking about are these right here. And copy, and only the first 10 data rows. So 11 rows total, one header row and 10 data rows of your stock CSV formatted data file. Okay, so he wants the top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So he wants these 10 rows plus the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to copy that and paste it into this area right here. So let's highlight this and delete that and paste it in. Now, if we highlight it and hit the tab, we can move it over so it looks nicer. So this is what he's asking for here. Let's make sure we got 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, plus this. Great. Okay, so that is task 1.1. Oh yeah, see, CSV insert, do not include all 250 rows. See, there's 250 rows of data. He just wanted 10. So prepare data transformation. Task 1.2 prepares your data for analysis by transforming your CSV using Excel. Okay, let's see. Okay, data transformation. Begin by importing the data into Excel. To import this, go to Get and Transform Data under the Data ribbon. Let's see how big this. We might need to make this a separate video. Okay, yeah, 1.2 is it's a big long one, so let's do a separate video for that. Bye.